So here is someone who is proposing an AI for each and every citizen of India. Please welcome Professor Ramesh Raskar. He's an associate professor at the MIT Media Lab and leader of the Camera Culture Group. He's an Indian origin innovator from Nasik in Maharashtra. He pioneers computational imaging, AI for health, and now decentralized AI. And Professor Raskar is wearing a fascinating t-shirt as well. It's called Doot. Let's see it. Okay, so let's talk about Doot, Professor Raskar.
Maria, wonderful to be here. As I said, every citizen has an Aadhaar card. What if every citizen has a AI agent for themselves? Sounds very futuristic.
Yes.
But, many of us who can afford, we usually have somebody to assist us. But imagine, a 70-year-old Sita Bai in rural Bihar, and she wants to get the same kind of services that, you and I can afford. And if Sita Bai can just pick up her phone and say, मुझे तो कुंभ मेला जाना है नासिक में, मैं क्या करूं? If you have to go to Kumbh Mela, you'll just ask somebody to take care of everything. But imagine for Sita Bai, an AI agent that's running on her phone can do everything for her. Her travel, her food, she's pre-diabetic, so she wants certain kind of a homestay and access to particular type of vegetarian food and so on. All those things are taken care of by this AI agent, as long as the folks at Kumbh Mela and all the vendors there also have their own AI agent so they can talk to each other.
Okay, so Sita Bai's agent is talking to the agent of one of those who are there, perhaps among the organizers in Kumbh Mela.
That's right.
And how do they connect?
So, you're familiar with Flipkart or platforms like that. And ONDC, is trying to make it more democratic. They're saying, if you're a vendor, if you're a consumer, come on this decentralized platform. Anybody can list and anybody can buy products from them. So systems like ONDC, which is part of the DPI, Digital Public Infrastructure, is already doing that. So we just need ONDC to run at Kumbh Mela, so all the vendors can register their AI agents on this platform, and any one of us, our consumer or pilgrim agents, can talk to them.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.